Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I mean, you already saw what the thumbnail is, so you know what the look is going to turn out to be like. You know, just show me some love. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can see all of my new videos and watch some of my old ones. So let's get into it. As I say, this is inspired by a pineapple, this look. And the main two palettes I'm going to be using is the Yes Please from ColourPop and the Tribe by Juvia's Place. I am going to use another palette later in the video for like some sparkle, but you know, I'll show that also, but we'll get into it later. First, I'm going in with the yellow color from the Yes Please palette. Like I said before, I get confused on how to tell what the names are. Like, they showed it on the website where you can see, that was me closing the case, sorry you guys if you can hear that, but they showed it on the website where you could see the colors or the names of the colors, but I never remember when it's not right in front of my face, because like I said in some of my previous videos, my memory is like here, there, everywhere, and gone. It just is. But I'm going in heavy with that yellow, and as you see, I made my base like extra white so you can really see the colors and they could really shine and pop on my lid. Now I'm going in with that color in the Tribe palette from Juvia's Place, because when you really sit and think about it, a pineapple is what, essentially 3 colors: yellow, green, and brown, you know, nature type colors. And I'm like, well, this I could do this. I could do a little something with that look. Went in with that color. Now when I did do the color from the Tribe palette, it has a little sparkle in it, but nothing that is too overwhelming. And I wanted some more shine and oomph to this look. I don't know why I feel like I said that extra weird, but yeah, I just wanted a little bit more pizzazz to the look. And so then I went in with my last palette from Delancey's. That's what I'll eventually be showing you. But right now, what I'm getting into is what I always call like my comfort shade, like my security blanket, my brown that goes over my lid. It feels so weird to try to do makeup without that color. Wanted to deepen that a little bit more, so I went in with another color, as you guys can see, but it's still the same palette. You know, I like that these palettes are affordable, so anybody can get their hands on them. It's not a bad thing. Oh, I need to stop that clicking with the palette, because I swear it's going to be in this video and then I'm going to be like, oh, it's annoying the daylights out of me. Sorry, I'm just ranting off just because I can. And because, I mean, why not? I'm talking. You might as well hear me. Sorry if I'm annoying, in all honesty. But basically, my eye could have been done, or my eyes could have been done, but like I said, I wanted to zhuzh it up. Blended that color in till I liked the results. That was what I used, my NYX eyeshadow base and my Milani eye primer. Now I came back with my sparkle. Can you see the difference? Like, this is the palette I use. Now look at this. This is so gorgeous. Look at all these beautiful sparkly colors. Now I'm not gonna lie, when I first purchased it, I'm like, oh, you know, and I purchased this recently. But when I first purchased it, I'm like, oh, okay, it's an eyeshadow. Oh, excuse me, I'm going in with the Uma, what is this, foundation and concealer. But when I first purchased that eyeshadow, I'm like, oh, you know, it's beautiful, it's sparkly. I imagined and automatically thought that things are eye safe since they're made in eye palettes, and then I later realized that they're not. Now that doesn't say, the palette that I picked up, that it's not eye safe, but I swear to God, I say a heavy prayer to Jesus now every time I use colors or shadows like that, because I get terrified. I do not want to lose no eye over no eyeshadow. Like, it absolutely terrifies me. But anyway, I put my foundation on and then my concealer. Just blending it all in. Oh yeah, it was that exact moment right there that I realized I forgot to put a primer on, because this video was filmed extremely late at night going into the next morning, and I get up early for work. But I was like, you know what, I'm not taking nothing off. I'm gonna just keep on going. I'm gonna work through it, and I did. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Trio Matchstick. So I'm always tired and feel like I never know what I'm talking about. I really need to like write stuff down. Blending that in with my Eco Tools brush. Oh, and I was looking up because there was like a fly or something. Because I know the littlest things can distract people and be like, why was you looking up like that? What was you seeing, Jesus or something? No, it was just a fly. Just a fly. But now I'm blending my contour in to my nose. You know, all the typical makeup areas that all these beauty gurus do. Working that in. I'll be going in with my setting powder. Start blending into my eyebrows and do my nose. If you like what you see so far, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and hit the bell notification. The highlight that I went in with is my usual, the Chasing the Sun by Desi and Katie from Dose of Colors. It was from their Friendcation collection. That sounds so weird when I said it just a minute ago. Now the setting powder I'm using is the Beauty Bakery flower powder, and the color yellow. I don't go in heavy with setting powders because I just feel like, even though I do have like combo to oily skin, I don't want my skin to be extra dry, because I feel like my forehead is getting extra dry and I feel like I have to start putting oil on it now. Like, cause I swear I see like a whole line in my forehead now. And I just, like, I thought age was supposed to sneak up on you, not like be smack dab in front of your face every time. But it is what it is. I get me some more oils and have my face lathered, honey, because I still want to take care of myself. I don't have a problem with aging, but I want to take care of myself. Putting the highlight on the different high points of my cheeks, hoping and praying that nothing is lopsided because it's late at night, like I said. Put on my nose, a little in between my eyebrows. And I do that as lightly as possible, or at least in my mind I do it as lightly as possible, especially on like my forehead, because if you do it too much, it can look so weird. Like, I can tell when people do it so much, because it's just like, it look like they dip their forehead or that area directly into the palette, and like they didn't even use a brush. It just, I don't know, it just creeps me out. So I try to do that very light-handed. And if you noticed, I also try to do it in the, the hollows of my cheeks to see. I just try something different, but I don't see nothing different so far. I think this was me getting my blush. Me and my one blush palette. I swear I need to get more. Using that color, whatever that is. Putting that on. Oh, you know what I forgot to mention? I forgot to mention my headband, or my bonnet. That's what it is. My bonnet. I purchased my bonnet from Bonnet Babes. It's a satin lined hair bonnet, and you can go on thebonnetbabe.com. It is really nice. I absolutely love it. It makes my hair feel nice. Even though it's in braids, like, my hair can dry out like really quick, my natural hair. Oh, I went in with the Conspiracy lip liner from ColourPop. It's basically like BFF3, but more high-end and like pricier. So I just purchased that when BFF3 was sold out, and I said I probably won't get it again unless I have to, because it was a convenience thing with it being in the stores. But back to what I was talking about. Oh wait, no, that's my Smashbox mascara that I used. The lashes I used, I believe they were Marquise. I believe that's what they are, from Eyelure. The lash glue I used was from Shades of Brown by Natira. I went to her launch party and she seemed really nice. She seemed cool. I'm using my bronzer in Coco Naughty by Fenty. Now I'm using my same favorite lip, Brunch Date from Sephora, which is really affordable. So don't be discouraged. That was only $8. That is the liquid eyeliner from Beauty Bakery, the Lollipop Liner. Yeah, that's me yawning. That's how you can tell how it's like actually, excuse me. As I showed you before, I used the Beauty Bakery flour powder. Is that everything? I think that should be everything. For my inner eye corner, I don't remember if I showed it to you. Oh, here it is. That's what I use for my inner eye. See, look. I'm covered. I don't know why. What I use that shade for? Oh, for under my eye. You can be surprised by my own tutorials. That's a shame. But this is me. I think that should be it. Oh, I also use my Sephora Micro Smooth. I like it. I don't know if I can heavily tell like the big difference. And my lip gloss from Shayla when she did the collab with ColourPop. I'm trying to think. I think that's it. Oh, but like I was saying, if you liked it, my bonnet that was previously on, again, that's the palette from Delancey. I showed it. Oh goodness, I need to get myself together. But if you liked it, my bonnet that was on earlier, it's really, really good. And of course, this isn't sponsored because I don't have nothing, but it's on thebonnetbabe.com. So go ahead and look that up. And if you like this video, like I said, thank you for watching to even get to this point. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Forgive me for being a hot mess on this voiceover because I already know. But, you know, bear with me. Just bear with me. I'll see you all next time in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.